to my bedroom.
Nope. Don't want to get put on a list.
Party hard!
So, Lollipop Chainsaw. This is the remaster, obviously.
Welcome to my bedroom.
Again, no.
Don't think that me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff.
Does that mean I can leave?
I mean, not that I have a problem with funny stuff.
Okay, this is getting worse.
Especially not if you really like the person. But that isn't what I wanted to talk about. Today is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today.
Definitely still creeping.
These are my girls on the San Romero cheer squad. We've gone to the Nationals 3 years in a row. But we haven't won yet.
Good for you.
To keep my energy up, I eat lollipops. I know what you're thinking. I'm getting so
Okay, creepy going
fat,
up again.
But they're so yum. This is my family. My older sister Cordelia won a gold medal in riflery last year. And she has a lot of secret meetings with guys I think are college scouts. My little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots. My girlfriends say my dad is a total dilf. But try as they might, they could never come between him and my mom. She is so cool. It's because of her, my sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly. God, she and my dad love each other so much. Speaking of true love, this is my boyfriend, Nick. It F's me up how much I really like him. My family's throwing me a birthday party after school. Nick is totally freaked out having to meet my family for the first time. But I'm even more freaked out for him to find out about my family. Because even though they're the most amazing ever, some of our traditions are a little unusual. Nick's already so sweet to never complain about my ginormous fat butt. If he finds out I'm the #1 world's biggest weirdo, he might not stick around. I'd be so sad. I think I'd seriously cry forever. Oh no! I'm totally late! I was supposed to meet him before school. I'm so lame. Ugh. I hope Nick isn't mad. That's about the
I
worst
don't like
thing
that
that could
camera angle.
ever happen.
Well, that was a roller coaster of an intro. Again, no, I'm just not selecting that one. Anyway. Being as I never played the original, let's see the original, I suppose. I'd have been the right age at the original, slightly less creeped out by all of these scenes.
Oh my god! What the heck happened? Gross! Back off! No! Yeah! Seriously? Dude. The hell?
Okay, that is not appropriate footwear for using a chainsaw.
Already late enough. Gross. Stupid. Undead douchebags. OMFG. This is so irritating.
Well, I was in the mood for something weird. Seems to be delivering.
Woohoo!
'Why would I not use the chainsaw?
zombies do poop.
I suppose so. I'm not enjoying the lack of reach. Okay. Okay. Onwards and upwards. I mean, I'm not sure chainsawing my way through a high school. I mean, it seems a bit morally dubious, but I guess they're zombies. Ah, right, okay. I was being a bit dense. There's a light attack.
Sorry.
Hold it right there! You zombie jerks! I'll help you!
Okay, now the combat's making a little bit more sense.
Awesome. I'm still alive.
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone
Be
else
careful.
out.
That was
Whoa, zombies
unnecessary
suck dick at
upskirting.
driving.
Gonna assume health. That would be health. Okay, and chainsaws with bus. And off we go. Again, camera, could we angle slightly differently? No? Okay.
Your license should be revoked, bro.
I'll rip out your tape.
Oh, great. This isn't going to be as easy as I thought. Hey, Herb! Don't be looking at my skirt.
I mean, I would avoid it if, you know, the camera behaved itself.
Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
Ah, I was expecting the combat to this to be a lot mashier than it is. Actually quite precise. Again, the zombie's trying to jump on the scantily clad cheerleader. Making me feel slightly weird. I mean, I suppose, you know, strong female protagonist, kind of. How about we stay at the side, camera?
Who am I?
Great. See one more. I got it.
Throw money at me.
All right.
How many buses does this school have?
Watch out!
Is this an American thing? I'm pretty sure my school only ever had one bus.
Come on, get away from me.
Hold on, I'm coming!
Eep. Right, okay, so start with that, and then the non-chainsaw attacks are how I get weird and wonderful combo. Doing flips with the chainsaw seems just horribly unsafe.
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding. Fuck off! Get away!
It's so rad to save somebody's life.
Well, we got these ones. But I see a whole group of these undead bastards incoming. Meet me up ahead.
This is reminding me of Dead Rising. That's marginally concerning. No bad zombie. Again, chainsaws on metal, I'm pretty sure don't work. I think it's like a wood and, you know, presumably flesh thing.
Fuck off! Get away!
Stop it! Alright!
I'm not sure what I've done, I'm very confused.
Your goal.
Okay.
Super wow.
Okay, that move seems kind of broken. Oh yes, this game was made in the era of QTEs. Can I kill a zombie by kicking it to death? No, it just stunned. Okay.
Fantastic job, kid.
Glad you made it, pilot dude!
Hold on, this is too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square.
Oh no! He crashed over by the school and is probably dead!
Has no one in video games learned helicopters are a bad idea?
Just a second.
What?
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Why is there a phone in the chainsaw? Who? How?
Wow, now is the perfect time to do some shopping. Eat it up.
What? Oh, okay. Because that
Well?
music is awful.
Get out of my way! I'm in a hurry!
Okay, behead a zombie.
Okay!
I did. The silence is sheer confusion and terror. Okay. Maybe I'm just old, but this is too much flipping. This looks far too energetic. No, it was that one. contextual button prompt. Behave.
No need to come out. Looking good. Sweet. Let me fuck your father.
Hang on, what? What? Ow. Wait. I not want to be molested by zombies, thank you very much. Okay, when picking your weapon arsenal, what goes on in your brain to go, I'm going to use a chainsaw and pom-poms? Well, I suppose at least there was no upskirting shot.
Stay back! Get off! No! No!
Zombie's not dead. Please move. I'm in a hurry.
Ow. Oh. Seems sensible. Run away. Okay, genuinely, X square seems like the most useful thing out there. 1, 2, and spinny, spinny, spin. 1, 2, spin. 1. Bad. Bad. Okay, so it's like a heavy, medium, light. And I can just decapitate. Fair enough.
Decontaminate! Decontaminate! Hey!
That's
Respect people's property!
worrisome. Okay. Oh, I'm about to get my ass kicked. Hack it to you. Right. Oh. This is going to give me a poor disposition to people called Jerry. Right. Jerry. Just heal up. And Jerry, have some chainsaw. How about you have a heavy chainsaw? Okay, that seemed reasonably sensible. Spinny, spinny, spin. Ow. Ow. Jerry, you hit like a bus. Hey, why is the zombie called Jerry? It's just weirding me out. Right. 1 down. Run away. 2 down. I'm gonna dodge because you're gonna, you know, get your bad breath on me. Ow. Okay, got greedy there. Poke. Chainsaw, chainsaw. Dodge.
Ready? Go!
Yeah, I should probably remember I have super moves, shouldn't I? Oh well. Is the music designed to put me off using my super moves?
Oh, Nick, please be okay. okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Juliet!
I'm so hungry.
I mean, I'm gonna go with that's not good.
Shit! Are you okay, Juliet?
Yes, Are you?
Well, this was a lurching tonal shift.
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does that mean?
Oh no, it can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you. Oh, I fucking love you. Oh.
Nick.
Why did we suddenly become sad?
No, there's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet?
And there goes the fourth wall.
What the fuck?
I love you too, baby. Well,
There's definitely some joke about dumb and crazy there. I'll let you fill the blanks in.
Yes!
totally awesome.
Right. Okay, let's see what's next in this unique setup of game, shall we go with?
Nick.
Whoa. Juliet? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
I had to.
Oh God! Oh fuck!
Could she not have just cut his arm off?
Where's my fucking body?